is heavy, I hear my own breath. The dial tone sounds like a flat line, that's why I keep it on. You never answered then, why would now be different? It's less about you, more about the noise. Someone carved a name in the plastic, could have been mine. The street light flickers like it's bored, I get it.